Have you searched Defiance's catalog and discovered that the Pilgrim Library doesn't have the book or video you need? This tutorial will show you how to see if another academic library in Ohio owns it and will let you borrow it. From the library's homepage, library.defiance.edu, click on the DC Catalog tab. Then click here where it says Search Ohiolink. Ohiolink is a consortium of nearly all college and university libraries in Ohio whom Defiance shares resources with. You, as a DC student, faculty, or staff, have access to the consortium's holdings and databases that Ohiolink provides. The screen is displaying a new in 2019 version of the Ohiolink catalog, redesigned to look more like a Google search. If you prefer the older version of the Ohiolink catalog, it is still available. Up here in the corner, click on Classic Catalog. Let's say you are writing a paper for a phys ed class on the training discipline called parkour, and you need books about it. Enter parkour in the box and click on the arrow. We'll look at the second hit, Parkour and the City. If you click on the title of the item, that will bring up a screen that gives more information. This screen shows that this is a book, and if you look further down, there's a summary that describes what the book is about. Let's say that after looking at this, you decide that the book will be a good source for your paper. How do you get a copy? Click here where it says 3 Ohiolink libraries have this item. This part of the display shows that Miami, Walsh, and Wittenberg all own it, and it's available for borrowing. If their copies were not available, this status area would have local circ only, or if it was checked out to someone, a due date would show here. Since there's at least one copy listed as available, we can request it. We'll scroll back to the top and click on the Request It button. A window opens which asks you to select the school or institution you're registered with. Select Defiance from the list and click on Submit. Enter your name and the barcode from your Defiance College ID card, and then I won't actually click on Submit for this tutorial, but you would if you were actually requesting the book. Once you submit the request, you would see a display saying which library the book will come from. When the courier service delivers it at Defiance College, usually in about 4 working days, we'll email you. Then you'd come to the library's main desk with your ID card and check the item out. You can keep an Ohiolink book for 21 days and renew up to 6 times unless another patron requests the same item. Audiovisual items like DVDs you can keep for 7 days and renew up to 3 times. It's possible to have the Ohiolink item you requested deliver somewhere other than to Defiance. If you commute or take online classes and live closer to Lima, for example, in the Pickup Institution box you could change Defiance to say Ohio State. And then in the Pickup Location box, select the OSU Lima Regional Campus and click on Submit. Then the item will be delivered to OSU Lima's library for you instead of Defiance, and you can also return it there. There's a couple other features of the Ohiolink catalog that you should know about. We'll X out of this request window and then click here to go back to our list of parkour hits. Notice these boxes on the left. You can use them to narrow down your parkour search. For example, if we click this box, the non-book items will be eliminated from our hit list. You can also click here on Advanced Search, which brings up this screen. This format option will let you limit the search by item type such as a dissertation, music score, or an electronic book. Location will limit the search to a particular Ohiolink library's holdings, like BGSU, for example. If you have questions or problems with this process, please contact a library staff member or the main desk for help. We'll click on the tab to go back to the library's homepage, and then click on Go To and Staff Contact. That brings up a page with the library staff contact information. Thank you for viewing our Ohiolink borrowing tutorial.